Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you this super easy and quick eye makeup look where I've only used one eyeshadow. So I think we're just going to dive right into the video. I hope you will enjoy. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm going to blend this all over the eyelid using a P84 brush from Sigma Beauty. Unfortunately, this brush is discontinued, but they do have a very similar one. Mine was actually dirty, but it's a new one that they recently launched. It's the Sigma F72, and it looks really similar and it's really nice as well. So if you are searching for a nice brush for applying your eyeshadow base, the Sigma F72 is really nice. So I will be playing with the Icy Nude palette from Huda Beauty, which is their newest palette which they recently launched. It's a gorgeous palette, and this is the color that I'm going in with, and it's also the only color that I will use for today's eye look. So I'm just using my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. First, I'm just gonna kind of like pack on the eyeshadow and get like most pigmentation on the eyelids, and then after that I'm gonna blend it out using a brush to make the edges look more softer, because you definitely don't want to keep it this way. I did a video where I also used one eyeshadow only, and I kind of did like the same technique. First you just apply it with your finger, because with your finger you get like most color payoff, and then you blend it out using a brush. I use the Sigma E25 brush to blend it out. So I'm just going around the edges, and this will make the edges look more soft. If you feel like you have blended too much, sometimes you can kind of like, I don't know, the sheen of the eyeshadow kind of disappears. You can always go back in with that shade and add a little bit more, as I am doing right now, because I just felt like I needed that shimmer to be like still really visible. So you can just easily blend a little bit more on the eyelid, and this will just make it pop again. So after that, I went in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner Pencil from Colourpop. I've already said that. It's a white pencil. I wasn't really sure what color I wanted to go in with, but I really like this one. So I'm going to blend this all the way in my waterline, and this will make my eyes appear bigger. And of course, it will also remove the redness. Well, it won't remove it, but it will hide the redness in the waterline. Then I went in with my lash curler, because it's already time for mascara. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics lash curler, which I really like. In one of my previous videos, I've told you guys I bought this years and years ago, and I'm still using the same one. So it was a little bit more on the pricey side, but I mean, if I've been using it for so long, it's definitely worth it. So then I went in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and I'm going to use a tiny coat on the upper lashes. I will go in with false lashes, which will obviously make this look take a little bit longer. But of course you can skip this step and go in with mascara only, and you're good to go. But I don't have like super long upper lashes naturally, so I felt like I needed some lashes to make this eye look complete. So I went in with these Weary lashes from Anytude, which aren't available anymore, unfortunately. But these are really beautiful. So popping them in the center of the eyelid, and then pressing the inner part of the lash band and the outer part of the lash band against my skin, and I always try to apply it as close as possible against my lash line, so you can't really see like any space in between my own natural lashes and the fake lashes. So you can also use a tweezer like I'm doing right now, kind of like pressing your own natural lashes against the fake lashes. This way you can kind of like really just press them together basically, and I always do this at the outer part and the inner part. So like I said earlier, this is also already the last step of today's look, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be definitely doing another look using this palette, because I only used one eyeshadow for this look, and I really want to do a more dramatic look where I play with a few of these shades that come in the palette. So if you have any requests, let me know, because I will be filming tomorrow, so make sure you leave it down in the comments so I see it in time. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. you